What's up, blooms? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an aloe and hibiscus pre-poo. I'm starting off by using 2 aloe vera leaves, hibiscus powder, and my garlic and onion oil. Check out the previous video to see how the oil was made. I also have another video on my channel showing you how I use aloe vera to pre-poo for the first time. I'll leave that video in the cards for you to check out. I'm using a tablespoon of hibiscus powder and about 1/2 cup of the garlic and onion oil. Hibiscus is amazing for the hair and helps to add thickness and volume. Garlic and onions are rich in vitamins and minerals that encourages scalp circulation. Combined with the moisturizing benefits of aloe vera, this pre-poo will leave your hair with shine, moisture, and manageability. I'm starting off on old dry hair, then misting using some warm water to open up my cuticles. Now I'm adding on the pre-poo mixture on top. I'm also massaging the pre-poo in my scalp for better absorption. This is my hair before adding the pre-poo. And this is what my hair looks like after. Now I'm just repeating the same steps all over. I let the pre-poo sit in my hair for a few hours, then shampooed and deep conditioned. My hair was soft and shiny after wash day, and the color from the hibiscus rinsed out well. That's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in trying out this pre-poo. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.